warning for western Spalding County in west central Georgia, northeastern Meriwether County in west central Georgia, County, central Georgia, northwestern Lamar County in west central Georgia, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hollandville, or 10 miles west of Zebulon, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Griffin, Zebulon, Milner, Molina, Williamson, Orchard Hill, Gay, Highland Mills, Experiment, Hilltop, Hollandville, Alvin, Rover, Batella, and Vaughan. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4666 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The forecast.